Hi, this is Brent McCall with Ethereal in beautiful Las Vegas for InfoComm 2026. I'm here at booth C6002 in the front of the East Central Hall. We're showing off our brand new Big Dog 3-phase and 20 amp international products. Now the new Big Dog 3-phase unit will go into any of the big server racks, motor controls. We've got full IP control of all the outlets, as well as the ability to monitor voltage, current, wattage, set up scheduling, build macros, track capabilities, know what's going on inside the facility, and it works anywhere in the world. Our new 20 amp piece, 110-240, is also a worldwide unit. It also ties into our rAVe-based software, which has an open API, that gives you the ability to track, monitor, and fully control all your devices, as well as know what's happening, when it's happening, set up macros and sequencing for both on and off. Swing on down to C6002 in East Central Hall. Thank you.